Good morning, friends. This is Anu from Anuvala's kitchen. Hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Today, I'm going to show you another very simple recipe, Rava Khichdi. Rava Khichdi is very famous in South Indian cuisine, and it is served across all the restaurants, South Indian restaurants. It's very easy to make, simple, and it is more a complete meal than Rava Upma because we are adding more vegetables in this Rava Khichdi. And rava being a good source of complex carbohydrate and protein also, this makes it almost a complete meal. It can be had anytime, breakfast, lunch, dinner, evening, tiffin, or it can be packed in tiffin boxes also. Easy to make. There are certain steps that should be followed well, like roasting the rava properly, adding the right amount of water. That is done means the upma will definitely, khichdi will come out really well. Now let us see how to make this simple and very delicious rava khichdi, one of my most favorite one. I'm heating up a pan. I've added 1 cup of rava and I'm roasting this now. We have to roast the rava till it turns slightly golden red. So I'm turning off the gas now. The rava is roasted well. It's turned golden red. Now we will transfer this to a plate. Next step, let's heat up a pan again. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Let the oil heat up. Oil is heated up. I'm adding a teaspoon of mustard. Let it splatter. Mustard is spluttering now. I'm adding a heaped teaspoon of urad dal and some chana dal. And this is 2 green chilies chopped and some curry leaves. That will be around 4 sprigs of curry leaves. Now we will saute this. I'm adding 1 cup of finely chopped onions. We will cook till it turns slightly pink. The onion is turning pink now. At this stage, I'm adding half cup of finely chopped carrot, some capsicum. Let us saute this for a few minutes. I'm adding half teaspoon of salt here so that the vegetables will get cooked faster. We've been sauteing this for a minute now. I'm adding tomatoes, that is half cup of tomatoes. And then I'm adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder and let us give a good mix. Now to this I'm going to add 2.5 cups of water. I took 1 cup of rava. For that I'm taking 2.5 cups of water. Now we will check for the seasoning salt and we will add the required amount of salt. So I'm adding another 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Now salt is to your taste. You check for the seasonings and then add salt to your taste. Now let this water start boiling. Let it start simmering and then we will add the roasted rava. See, you can see the water boiling now. I'll turn off the gas and then I will add the rava. Add slowly and keep constantly mixing so that lump formation will be avoided. Mix it well. The rava will start getting cooked in the heat of this water itself. We will mix it well and then we will turn on the gas. Now we will close this with a lid and then cook till it is done. It will take only just 3 to 4 minutes. Close this with the lid and reduce the flame. It should cook in low flame. It will just take 2 to 3 minutes. It's been cooking for 2 minutes now. We will just open and check. See, it's almost done. Just give one mix. Close this again and continue to cook for 1 more minute. I'm heating a teaspoon of ghee, and this is 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts. See, the cashew nuts are roasted now. We will add it to the khichdi. Adding the roasted cashew nuts. Don't waste the ghee there. Now we'll give a good mix. Some coriander, chopped coriander. And then there is one more step which is an option. I will be adding half teaspoon of lemon juice. That is, it can be avoided. Some people do not prefer, but I always feel it brings all the flavor together. So I'll be adding half teaspoon of lemon juice. Half teaspoon of lemon juice. We will mix this, and I suggest that you keep this closed for another 2-3 minutes. Let all the flavors come together, and then you can serve the khichdi. So the khichdi is ready to be served now. Simple and a very colorful dish. So friends, this easy to make, simple, colorful and delicious rava khichdi is ready to be served now. This is a complete meal by itself, as I told you already. It has all the required nutrients in a meal. Good carbohydrate, protein, fiber, vitamin, mineral, everything. So it is an anytime meal. Very easy to make, and rava is also very easily digested, so it can be given to all age groups from children to aged people. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Do try, leave a feedback on my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do refer your friends. I'll be attaching the text recipe link in the description section. Do check the link also for a detailed recipe. Thank you. Have a nice day.